what percentage of like MD MBAs do you think at the top schools end up not practicing medicine?
So my year was, we had 6 joint degree. There were other MDs in the business school program, but of this ones we were kind of doing the dual degree, and there were 6 of us. 2 did not do any training after. And then I now don't practice, but the other 3 always practice. So, it's, 50-50 is not that, I don't think that's atypical. If I look at the other classes, I think that maybe the class behind me, there were a couple people who are not practicing. So it's, up in a half dozen, maybe it's,
50 to 70, 20 to 30%, 20 to 50%, something like that.
Yeah. Something like that.